enough ribbon left over that I could totally make a grapevine wreath if I added my own florals. So for that, to do like a little floral bow, we would make looser loops. So I'm going to make these about 6-inch loops. But every loop is going to stay 6 inches. Yeah, all the ribbon came in this one kit. So y'all, that's what I was trying to explain to y'all. Like, whenever you look at the price of a kit, if the kit seems expensive, make sure that you can make more than one project with it, right? Like if this was $50 and you could only make one wreath, and you knew that wreath would only sell you, you can only sell that one wreath for $120. Like, you want to make sure you can recoup some of your cost other ways. All right, so y'all, every loop is going to be about 6 inches. So if adding a bow to a grapevine, most of the time I like the loops to all stay about the same size, because you want to be able to fill those loops in with your florals and greenery. And if you make your bow where it's too tight, that doesn't work out too well. All right, so see how all these loops are kind of big and airy? That's because whenever you add them to a grapevine, all right, so you see how the loops are all nice and spaced out? Whereas on this one, our loops get smaller as they went towards the center. That's because on this one, I want the bow to stand out by itself. And on this one, I want to have space. You would call it airy, right? Airy, or you would want gaps, so that whenever you started adding your floral or greenery, it shows up in your wreath. right? So now I can take my floral stem and I can work it down into my bow. And there's enough gaps between the loops that you can really see your florals and your greenery, and it makes like it all blends in. All right, let's trim all this up. So the grapevine and the floral, I'm just going to keep saying it, the grapevine and the floral were not in the kit. I added those extra.